our dry and flour barrel mixer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a total length of 65 inches. A depth, we have 24.5 inches. And the overall height, we have 45.75 inches tall. 45.75 applies from the bottom towards the top of the barrel. Coming to the actual barrel, front cover can be removed. And inside will be the barrel with gear to mix and churn your products. As seen on the inside will be the spiral to mix and churn your products, and also included will be the pamphlet and information about this mixer. Okay. Measurements for the barrel will include 39.5 inches in length, 22.5 inches in depth, 22.5 inches applies towards the top and widest point of the barrel. And a height we have 26.5 inches tall. Top cover can be inserted back into the slot. And coming to the left and right will be holes or inserts for bolts and screws to lock in with the barrel whenever it's mixing. Coming to the bottom of the mixer will be the motor along with the wiring that's required to operate this mixer. And to the side of the mixer will be a lever to lock and release whenever the barrel is or not in use. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.